Good morning, boys and girls. So on my whiteboard, I have drawn 6 shapes, and these are 2-dimensional shapes because they don't have space. So during lockdown in the second term, we spoke about shapes with space. So those were 3D shapes. So if I have a look at my glue, all right, this has space. It takes up space. This is a 3D shape, and it is a cylinder. And we did a sphere, which is like a ball, and we said a dice is a cube, maybe your duster, right? And we spoke about a pyramid and so on. So we're going back to 2D shapes. These are flat shapes that have no space. They are just flat on a piece of paper or cut out on a piece of paper as well. They are flat, 2D, 2-dimensional. So lots of our shapes get their names from Latin words, and they were made many, many years ago. But we can remember some of our shapes if we know those words. So if we speak about triangle, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. So triangle's got 3 sides. How many wheels does a tricycle have? Correct. A tricycle has 1 wheel in the front and 2 wheels at the back. So tri means 3. Triangle has 3 sides and it has 3 angles. Tricycle, 3 wheels. And if you have a tripod to put your camera on to film something, it has 3 legs. Or if you are in a laboratory doing science experiments, you have a tripod and you may put the experiment on the top of that to boil or to mix or something like that. So we say that tri means 3. A circle is just a circle. It has no sides. So the word circle is just that it has no sides and it goes all the way around. A quad bike has how many wheels? 4 wheels. And we know this shape that has 4 equal sides is called a square. But the quad that we speak about outside the computer room is a square. The quad next to the swimming pool, just outside the high school classes, where those steps are by the tuck shop, that's a quad. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So tri means 3 and quad means 4. Then we have a diamond. And the last shape that we are going to speak about is a hexagon. And let's see how many sides that has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have a look at this shape. Looks different to this one, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. So tri is 3, quad is 4, Hex is six-sided shape. So now, these two shapes look very different. These two shapes look very different from each other, but they have 6 sides, so they are both hexagons. It's the same as a triangle. If you draw a triangle that looks like this, or like that, or like that, it doesn't matter. As long as it has 3 sides, its name is triangle, because tri means 3. So even though these two shapes look different, again, they both have 6 sides. So like those triangles, they're different, but they have 3 sides, so they're triangles. 6 sides, they're hexagons. And now knowing these shapes, let's just go through the names of them again, and then you're going to have a look at what shapes appear on our banknotes. So on our South African money, which shape appears on which note? 3-side shape, triangle, a shape that goes all the way around, circle, a square, 4 equal sides, and the word for 4 is quad. A quad bike with those 4 big fat wheels. A diamond, and a diamond is also known as a kite, to fly on a windy day, especially last week when we had the August winds, those cold winds. And then the last 2 shapes, even though they look different, 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So these are the shapes that we're going to have a look out for on our money, on our notes. So our 100 Rand note, our 50 Rand note, and so on.